welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Through a process of precise stamping and CNC machining, raw materials are shaped and balanced, ensuring structural integrity.
Every Tesla is engineered for performance, safety, and world-class efficiency.
Every vehicle undergoes thorough testing before it leaves the Gigafactory.
And that's how Tesla cars are built. Imperfect, chewy, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.